Hello student, how are you? I hope you are all leading your life very well and you are taking your preparation for pre-test exam phase 2 and I am here to help you for this preparations what you are taking. You know that we all are continuing the revision class according to the syllabus of phase 2. So welcome students to the business organizations and management class. And today we will discuss about, we will take a revision or take a review of chapter 8, that name is communication. So what I am on to going to discuss about, you can get a proof of this on your screen. You can see on your screen there is ICT. You and I, or we all know about the ICT. ICT full meaning is Information and Communication Technology. If I ask you, what is it? What is your answer will be? I hope this answer will be, ICT means all the technology that will help us to communicate each other through the virtual ways. You will say, or you will answer like this. And then I will say, yes, you got it right. So if you want to write on your copy with a good manner, then you have to say that information technology is the use of computer to store, retrieve, transmit and manipulate data or information, often in the context of a business or other enterprise. So, what is technology? What is information technology? What is information and communication technology? Then you will say, information and communication technology is use of computer to store, retrieve, transmit and manipulate data or information, often used in the context of business or enterprise. So I hope you all understood what is ICT. So if you think about, to store data, retrieve data, transmit data, manipulate data by the computer or any electronic device is information technology. So I hope you student have understood. So okay, we can turn into the next topic. You can see the above various medium of ICT. It means various medium of information and communication technology. So what are they? Let's say one is email. You know that what is email. Its full meaning is electronic mail. It means that through the electronic device, through the computer and internet, using a computer and internet with the ID to send document to the others, it is email. Another, voicemail. You know what is voicemail. Same email as when we recorded a audio, voice and then send through a email address. So it will be voicemail. Telex. Telex is a machine which has a typing keyboard. With the keyboard, the documents will be typed and then select a other telex number through the telephone. If we send it other telex machine, this typing document will be printed out there. That will be telex. Teleconferencing. You know that teleconferencing means sitting far away doing conversation. It can be visual, it can be audio. So teleconferencing divided into two. One is audio conferencing, another is video conferencing. And then multimedia. You know that multimedia is combinations of all media. What is the all media? Graphics, audio, video, animation, so many medias. When we used for a content, that content will be multimedia content. Now coming to next, internet. What you are using through, it will be internet. And internet, you know that the two a computer when is connected with a server, that will be internet. And another, a bulletin board. You know that what is bulletin board? A notice board type, and in the roadside or in any institutions there is a wall, over the wall it was hanging on, that is bulletin board. And also it is a board where the electric, you can see over the road, you can see so many things is displayed. This is the bulletin board. It is totally controlled by a simpless, and it will be portrayed or it is telecast through the internet. Now coming to fax. Fax is also a machine as the telex, but telex has keyboard, but fax has no key, no key to press. Automatically, what the documents you want to do fax, just put in and do scan and send it through the internet, through the telephone line. That is fax. So these are the medium of information and communication technology that will be used in the business. So it is the short descriptions what I given. So for more, I want to show some picture that will make you very easy to you all the medium that is used according to the ICT, email, voicemail. What are the picture of them? Let's see. This is the internet. This is the internet you can use through this. So there are so many computers in the world. It is connected with the internet, and then you can pass or you can transfer your documents on any other things. This is the internet. Now coming to, this is mobile phone. This also part of ICT, and through the mobile phone in the business, it is very much used device that is also gift of ICT. So this is also medium of ICT. Now coming to the SMS, short message service. This is also change the easy way to communicate with the other businessmen. It is communicate with the buyers or potential buyers. So this is the SMS system that also the gift of ICT, medium of ICT. Now coming to the fax. Fax already said that this is the fax machine. It is connected with the telephone line. Okay, same machines will put another side of the world, and if you use it and send through the fax number, it will be automatically the carbon copy will be printed there. This is the bulletin board. You can see the board. This board is not the ICT board, but bulletin board always displayed with the electric monitor. So just I want to say that this is the bulletin board such like that, a big monitor attached on the wall, and you can see so many things through it. Now coming to voicemail, you know that that's when the voice is recorded and then sent through the email number, that will be the voicemail system. And this is email, you know that email you can send through any types of documents, software documents you can send through the email. So email, to use email you need a computer and internet device. It is a telex machine. You can see that, you can see here some keyboard. I said that key, here is the typing key. If you put the type this, and it will send to the other's telex number, and automatically the others and the telex who is set up, it will be automatically printed out. Now coming to the, this is the multimedia. Multimedia means so many media is adjusted. Okay, audio, video, the graphics, animation, transition, all these things when get together, and it will make a content that will be multimedia content. And here is teleconferencing. You know that teleconferencing means sitting at home to do any meeting through internet service, through mobiles, or through electronic device, that will be teleconferencing. And teleconferencing will be two type of, that's the video conferencing and audio conferencing. It is the, in the picture you can see 2 or 3 4 person is sitting there, and another 4 person over the monitor. So it means that video conferencing, through the video they are contacting each other. So this is the video conferencing. Now audio conferencing means in the round table there was a telephone. On the other end of the telephone, so many peoples are joining in, and these peoples are talking about, what are they talking about, what are they giving a suggestion or giving opinion. Other end who are sitting at home, they are hearing this through this telephone line, and they are also contributing or giving their opinion through in this meeting. So it will be audio conference, because there is no visualization, just hearing and responding. That is why it is called audio conferencing. Now coming to the another topics, that is the advantage and disadvantage of ICT. So if we use ICT in the business organizations or an enterprise, we have to face some disadvantages, and we have to get some advantage. So what are the advantages there? The advantage is that presentations and reporting, it is very easy through ICT or information and communication system, and it is very professional, and it is very easy to access, and information can be passed on very quickly to a large number of people through the internet or through the electronics or ICT. And ICT allows employees to work in alternative place at home. They can also do their official work. So it is the advantage. And another advantage also, workers may be more productive because communication is very quicker. So another thing is, what are the disadvantages of ICT? Risk of information overloaded. It can be destroyed anytime. It can be deleted, and the technology is expensive too, and training may be needed for the worker who are working there, because day by day the ICT is being upgraded. So every time or day by day or time after time, to give the training, it's very expensive and it's very complex. Maintenance is required, because continuously you have to maintain all the electronic device that introduce ICT. And also security issues, storing personal and bank details, it is not safe. It can be hacked by hacker, so that is why it's a risk to privacy. And another health and safety issue, anytime any occurrence or any incident can happen because all the electronics device you are dealing with, so that is why it can be the disadvantage of information and communication system. So today we have discussed about three topics. There's what is ICT, what are the mediums of ICT that is used in business communication, and what are the disadvantages and advantages of the ICT or information and communication technology. So if you have any asking about these topics, you can ask during the class 10. And for today, bye bye.